Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one's black. Under the hood's an inline 4-cylinder 2-liter turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch 5-spoke wheels. Tires are in good condition. We've got a black MB-Tex interior, panorama roof. Coming on back here, we've got our GLC 300 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate, fresh set of clean floor mats, fold down rear seats. This one also does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you blind spot assist and keyless go. We've got an illuminated star when the door opens, Burmeister sound system, heated seats. Hopping in here, we've got a heated steering wheel. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance. Let's go ahead and start the car up. We've got navigation, rear view backup camera, a natural grain wood trim, dual climate controls, our hard keys and radio, cup holder, command center with dynamic selects. This vehicle has 29,293 miles on it, Carfax and service records available. If you'd like to view more photos, check out feldmanimports.com.